So, the Doleva Cooling Mat is basically marketed as a simple way to stay cool without needing electricity, especially during hot weather. It sounds convenient, but there are a few things the marketing may not emphasize. The biggest question is how long the cooling effect actually lasts. Most passive cooling mats rely on materials that absorb or distribute body heat, so they're not going to keep getting colder indefinitely. I'd also look at the size, thickness, materials, cleaning requirements, and how quickly it warms up with regular use. If you're buying one for a pet, durability is another important consideration, especially if they like to scratch or chew. So, is the Doleva Cooling Mat worth buying? It could be useful as a simple cooling aid, but I wouldn't expect it to perform like an air conditioner or actively refrigerated surface. Overall, it may be a convenient product for hot days, but check the actual dimensions, cooling technology, and independent reviews before buying. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.